Okay. Okay. I am Christine Joy Santillan, 36 years old. My weight is 108 pounds. I stand at 5 feet and 3 inches tall. I have two daughters, age 12 years old and 4 years old. I am also Roman Catholic and a graduate of Bachelor of Science major in Management Accounting. Yes, sir. I worked in Malaysia November 2014 to November 2016. I serve two children and two adults. The age of the children are 2 and 6 years old. Yeah, 4 persons, two adults and two children. So every day, when I wake up, sir, I'm cleaning the house. Then after that, cleaning the house, I wake up the children, get them ready to send. The mother will send them to school. Then I clean the house. If they're in the school already, I will do the cooking. After do the cooking, I prepare the food for lunch to send to school. Then after that, I do also the cleaning again, the ironing, washing, and also the bed making. Yeah, they got one pet, small dog. Yes. I'm not scared of dogs. Yeah, yes, sir, can. The house is a condominium, but it's quite big. 3 rooms, and the hall is like, think 100 square feet. The hall and 3 rooms, 3 bathrooms, and what one prayer place, and also the kitchen is also big. Yeah, got. Yes, sir. Got, sir. Sunday holiday, but I don't go out. I just rest in the house. Yeah, it's okay, sir. Any day will do. So far, no, sir. Uh, okay, thank you, sir. Have a nice day.